What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, I am going to show y'all a way to cover your exposing holes if you want a single faucet. Now, I did just review two different caps. Well, they're the same caps, but two different colors. In this review, I'm gonna show you how to make this like one whole base. All right. Now, this faucet right here didn't come with a base. It just comes just like this, but it does have a O-ring on the bottom, so no water will go inside of there. But if you have this style of sink where the holes are, I believe, 8 inches apart from each other, then if you have a single sink like this or a single faucet, then water can go back down in the holes, and yeah, you know, it's not so pretty. So with that being said, I went on Amazon and they have a base cap or a base cover right here, hole cover, whatever you want to call it. So they sell this separately just in case that you have a unit right here that don't have a base to it and you want to cover your holes. So here we go. I'm going to take this back off and put that right on top. And you see it covers the holes very nice. I'm going to put the unit back on and everything fits very well. Now, the reason why I'm holding it is because the top is heavy on this. Using it because I was doing a review on the faucet. So this is basically like for bars and kitchens and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be using this somewhere else anyway, but I want to show people the base on this. If you want to get a single faucet and you know, you have two wide holes, then this is a good alternative if you want to cover your holes while use the new faucet that you get. All right, so that's it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This product also have a good amount of foam on it, you guys. I mean, a real good amount of foam. So y'all see how thick the foam is. So that's pretty nice, especially when you tie up your faucet to it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.